Hey guys, welcome to my channel Avi's Data Revolution. So as a part of my Hive playlist, today I am going to discuss about joins. So basically joins, we will be discussing more on the inner join, then left join, then right join. So let's get started. So as you are seeing, I have opened my terminal. So I will just connect to my lab and will showcase you basically like going into Hive and then implementing the joins. So yeah, first let us understand like what is this joins mainly. So you can see this is the left join where the data of like table A along with the table B will be present. That's the inner join. Okay, and that's the full outer join. Okay, so we will be considering more about this four mainly, like inner, left, outer, and like right join. So yeah, so this is more about the like the Hive joins which we will be more implementing into. Okay, so now let us understand the four joints uh, more clarity. So what is inner join? Let us consider two tables. For example, we have two tables as table A and table B. Inner join is like the data contents in table A which is matches with table B on only the intersection part, right? So now what is this left join? Left join is basically the data present in left table like table A along with the intersection. Right join is just opposite, like data present in the right and the content of the inner join. So guys, I hope you guys are able to see this and able to relate what I am trying to say. So as part of this, mostly you guys are going to deal with this four kinds of joins only. Okay, and if you guys have any doubts, always you can just let me know by writing down in the comment section, and I will be always there to help you guys. Okay, so yeah, so that's the full outer join. Full outer join is basically the entire content of table A along with the entire content of table B based on some joining keys. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. I will be connecting to my terminal and will be showcasing you a small demo on how to implement. So let's connect to the Hive and give it some time. Yeah, fine. We are connected to Hive. Let me now connect to my database, which I will be using to showcase the demo. Yeah, it's a Vibunti. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll be using the Avibunti Retail DB. That's my database, so I'll be connecting to that. Okay, so I have already, in order to save time, I've already created two tables, employees and department. That's the traditional example which we will be showcasing, and like it's had been used everywhere, so it's very easy, and you can be able to understand the same thing very easily. So you can see the content of the employee table. I have employee name and salary and department ID. And if you see the content of the department, okay, so I have department ID and the department name. So in order to do the join, we should be having the join key. So in this case, our join key is basically the department ID, right? So now let us implement our first join. So what I will be showcasing is, like, if you can see in the department, we have the department ID, right? So and that department ID represent the corresponding department name. So let us first implement the inner join in order to understand like what are the common factors in both the tables. So you can see like I have all like select employee name, employee salary, employee department ID, DID from department ID and everything, and I am doing an inner join. So what I will be getting is like whichever the employees which is matching the department IDs, right, that will be showcased. Like for example, I have department ID as 1236 in employee table, and I have department ID as 12345. So 123 is common, right? So I will be getting all the data from the employee table having the department ID as 1, 2 and 3, right? So let's get started and see what's the output it give me. So I hope it's clear, the department and the employee table, right? So yeah, so this is the main thing. So let's press enter and start. Yeah, so as you can see, it's the department ID from employee I have given as an alias. Okay, because I have department ID in both tables, so in order to differentiate I have to maintain the thing, right? I have to maintain. And E, as you can see, is the alias I have given for employee E, and then I am doing the inner join. Then department D is the alias for the department. Okay, and on you can see the joining key I have provided, because to in order to join two tables you need to have a joining key, like a column present in both the tables. Okay, so now let's see what the data it gives. Let's wait. Yeah, it's executing, so let's wait. Yeah, give it some time. Okay, you can see, right? I have my data which is common in both the tables, right? I was told you, right, 1, 2 and 3 should be displayed. So you can see Michael from HR department, Ginny from sales, John from HR and Tom again from marketing. But we didn't get anything of department ID 6, 4 and 5, because this is not left join or right outer join we did. Okay, so you guys can check, like 4 and 5 is not present, right? Only the department ID of 1, 2 and 3. And also you can cross check with employee. So you can see department ID, the employee containing department ID C6 is also not present. So only the common factors are present over here. Okay, I think it will be pretty clear for you guys, like what is inner join. And like the same thing, we will keep the syntax same and we will try to do what is a left join. Okay, now in left join what you will get is like the all the contents, right? All the contents present in the employee table you will be getting, along with the intersection, like 1, 2 and 3, the common IDs, as well as the 6 means the department ID 6, which is having that employee will be also populated, but along with the department name as null. You guys can see what I'm trying to say. You guys can see the output, and just give it a time. It will take some time to execute. Let's give us a time. Okay, so you can see, okay, we have all the employees present in the left table, right? You can see says the data present, so we have all the 5 employees, right? But if you see, Harry has department ID 6, but there is no department IDs present in the department table, so it will come as null, right? Null and null. So I hope this is pretty much clear for you guys. So what left join does is, like, all the data of the left table along with the inner join data, inner join content, it will populate. Okay, check the department as well. See, 6 is not present, so we have 1, 2 and 3. Since we are doing left join, 4 and 5 also should not be present, because I told you all the data from the left table should be present. Okay, so now if you do right join, I hope you will be getting, I guys are absolutely right what you are guessing, right? So we won't be getting Harry as 6, rather we will be getting 4 and 5, because the right join we are doing, like intersection data along with all the data present in the right table. And what is our right table? Our right table is the department, like whichever is after right keyword mentioned in the query, that is our right table. So you guys give it a moment and let's see the result, what it gives. So it should give the employee column as null, null, null and null, but it will show the department 4 and 5 along with the department name. Okay, so it's clear, right? All the intersection data along with all the contents of the right table, that is the department table. Got it? See, it's pretty much clear. Like, it's just a reverse of the left join, right? It's just how you are maintaining this left and right in the query. That's how your data will be like be playing around. Okay, so I hope it's clear, guys. Now let's see what is full outer join. Okay, so basically let me check one thing. Yeah, okay, yeah, so that's the thing. See, null 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 and null null null. Yeah, so now let's check what is a full join. Okay, full outer join. So as I have mentioned, full join is like you will be getting all the data from table A and table B, like all the data coming from employee and department, you will be getting it all. Okay, so there will be no filter out. So it's a combination of like right join and left join. It will give you the results, the entire. So let's see what it gives. Give it some time. So joining takes some time, so I will take you in another session how to optimize the joining and all. But with 5 to 6 records there is no point of optimizing it. So okay, now let's see. Okay, you can see there are 7 records and everything you have got. You have got Harry as well, which was coming for the left join part, and you have got 4 and 5 as which was coming as the right join part. So you have guys got everything. Okay, so that's the power of full join. It will, like, if you don't need to filter out any data, you are okay with your null values and everything, you can go ahead with the full outer join. It's totally based on the business requirement. Okay, so joins are the most important concepts of the Hive, because as a business point of view you will be doing joins and everything. So later, like today, I will be uploading another use case on like case statements and operators in Hive. Later I will be displaying more on partitioning and bucketing, because partitioning and bucketing is mostly on concepts, but we should focus on case statements and operators in my next session. Okay, so yeah, so pretty much like that's the thing. Okay, so if you see the Hive functions which I have created, I have told you, like if somebody needs this Excel sheet, they can let me know. Okay, so from the operators point of view, you can see what are the operators. We can see we have the not symbol, not equals to, and greater than equals to, and these are the basically the operators which we will be learning in the next session. So it will be pretty much small session. You guys can by yourself, you guys can implement and play around with it. Yeah, obviously I'll be there to help you guys in order to how to play around with it. If you have any doubts or the syntax and all, okay, so you guys are pretty much smart enough to do it in your own way, but obviously I'll be there to guide you and showcase few important examples like how you can implement the same. Okay, so that's all, guys, that's all for today. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.